Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and today is the 22nd of May 2019. All right guys, so before I start to make my green drink, I want to show you something, guys. All right guys, so that's my scale and I'm gonna stand on it. And that's my weight, guys. And guys, that's my weight. 221.6. And that's my weight, guys. 221.6. All right, now I'm starting my weight loss journey, and to kick it off, I'm gonna make a green drink. I'm gonna make lots of drink, lots of punch, but we're gonna do it like more natural stuff. All right, and here I have some strawberry and blueberries, I have some spinach, I have some cucumber, I have some ginger and apple, about half an apple right there, or a quarter. I'm gonna do a squeeze of lemon juice. I'm gonna put a little bit of ripe banana in it just for a little bit of taste, but you can up the ripe banana. And here I have some soy milk. I'm just gonna put a tip. You can up all of that if you want. And now guys, this is what I want to show you. This is Herbalife. I asked somebody to buy it for me and I'm gonna try it out. It's a meal replacement and it's good for weight loss with other healthy eating and exercise, and it's like this. I will do a review on it next time, and I'm gonna add 2 scoops to my green drink. All right, let's get started. So this is it, guys. When it comes, it's sealed, so that's good. Nobody can tamper it, even if you ask somebody to buy it for you. It's hard to open, so I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna come back. All right, so that's it, guys. I open it and it's a big container. Oh, I don't need the lid because I have the cover. So that's it. I find the scoop somewhere here. All right, and I'm gonna use 2 scoops. All right, so now I'm gonna add my berries, my strawberries and my blueberries. I'm gonna add my ginger and my apple. Ginger is good. It has lots of antioxidant and stuff, clean your system and build your body, so the ginger is good and fight away all mucus and bacteria as well. So the real ginger is good. And I'm gonna put some cucumber. Cucumber clean your body, clean you out. I'm gonna add my spinach. Oops. I'm gonna squeeze a tip of lemon juice. I don't want the seed in it, so I have to be careful. The lemon is really good as well, or lime juice. I'm gonna add some banana as well. I'm gonna add this little bit because the banana add a little bit of sweetness to it. Now I cut my bananas and I'm gonna add it. Half of banana will do, just half. Now I'm gonna add, you can add a little bit of water, or you can add a little bit of pineapple juice, a little bit of apple juice, whatever of your choice. All right, but because I'm making like a smoothie, a green smoothie, I'm gonna add some almond vanilla, sorry. About quarter cup or so. And now I'm gonna add my 2 scoops of my Herbalife meal replacement. 1. And you can take this like 2 times a day. In the morning before you eat anything, so it can fill you, and also at bedtime. So like the last thing you drink, you can drink something like this. You can also just put it in some water, or you can just put it in some almond milk or some skim milk, and you mix it and shake it just like that. Okay guys, but because I want to be a little bit more full, I'm gonna do it this way. All right, I'm gonna put something else to this. I have some organic flaxseed oil, and I'm gonna put a squirt, about half teaspoon. There you go, and that's it. Flaxseed, it's have lots of fiber, it clean your system and build your body, so that will help in the process as well. Anything healthy, it's good. All right guys, now I'm gonna blend it. And there you have it guys, that's it. So it's my green drink smoothie. All right, and you can get 2 drinks from this one. With these leftovers, I'm gonna use it for later, so I'm gonna store it in the fridge, and tomorrow again I'll use something else. That's the final result right there. Look at that guys, all healthy, all good. Final result, yes. And guys, this is just the beginning. I'll come back again with more green drink and more healthy stuff. Okay guys, stay with me, encourage me and lift me up on this weight loss journey. I need to take off at least 15 pounds. Pray for me. All right, this is the final result. And so guys, I'm gonna taste it for you. Oh my. Guys, this is delicious. You know what I taste most of all in it? The ginger. And then I can taste this one have somewhat of a chalky taste. So the banana and everything else, and the ginger and the almond milk, it dies it down a lot, but you can taste a little bit still. But oh my god, I can taste the ginger in this. It's delicious. I'm gonna drink off this glass now, and then later on I'm gonna have this one. All right my peeps, thank you so much for tuning in. Bye guys.